We are proud to introduce the new FPS900 saw, designed specifically for cutting sandwich panels. Engineered with advanced safety features, it ensures operator protection regardless of panel size. The saw includes an automatic stop that adjusts to the cutting length set by the operator, while a laser guide provides precise marking for diagonal cuts. Off-cuts are automatically returned to the operator's work zone, improving efficiency and safety. The FPS900 features a blade angle adjustment system with 1-degree increments and can be equipped with 2 types of cutting blades, one for OSB sandwich panels and the other for MGO sandwich panels. Its protective enclosure prevents unauthorized access to the working area, and, if required, the saw can be fitted with a jib crane for effortless handling of heavy sandwich panels. With accuracy, flexibility, and operator safety at its core, the FPS900 is the ideal solution for modern sandwich panel processing.